One of the great ways to expose your puppy to noises is through play. When the puppy is chasing the toy, grabs on the toy, you turn the noise on, whatever the noise that you like. You can use a vacuum cleaner, you can do all this stuff. When the puppy is little, it will desensitize the puppy and counter condition that noise to something that his puppy likes to do, so the puppy is not going to be alert about it. I want you to try that with your pup. Good girl. Hey, dog. Very good girl. Very good, Maxine. Hey, dog. Hey, good girl. Good job, Maxine. Hey, dog. Very good. Try that. Let me know how it works. Till then, happy training. Hey, dog. Hey, good girl. Very good. Good job, Maxine. Good girl. That dog. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good.